Hi, Josh Barker with Josh Barker Real Estate, and thank you for checking out our market update for the month of April 2023. Like we like to each month, let's go ahead and kick off that sales report looking at the sales volume for the Shasta County Multiple Listing Service. The first thing I'll do is circle this for you in red. There's currently 555 properties that are for sale here in the local market. If you go back 1 year ago, the total number was 552. So as you can see, our inventory now is essentially the same as what it was last year at this time. The next thing to look at is actually what we call our sold report. And this gives us an idea of how many homes are selling each month. And last month, in the month of March, there was 192 properties that closed escrow. If you go back 1 year ago, there was an eye-catching 334 properties that closed escrow in the month of March of last year. So our sales volume is down currently by 42.5% year over year. The next thing to look at though is our new listings coming to market. This is another kind of an eye-catching report that came out. So last month, total listings coming to market was 261. If you go back 1 year ago, there was 430 that came to the market in the month of March. And so our new listings coming to market is down by 39.3%. Now what's happening now is we're seeing this transition in real estate. We have the pressure of higher interest rates compared to a year ago. Right now rates are averaging between about 6.75 and about 6.875. If you go back a year ago, they would have been in the high threes, lows fours. So you can see that the rate has gone up. So we have pressure there with interest rates being higher. At the same time though, we have a fairly low inventory in comparison to in previous months. I mean, we had inventory that was a little higher than this 6 months ago, so inventory is kind of compressing at the moment. The interesting thing will be to see what happens now that we're moving into the spring. In April, May, and June, it's going to be very interesting to watch to see how many new listings come to the market. Remember, there's a lot of sellers out there today that are enjoying interest rates at roughly 3.5%. In fact, they say that 90% of all mortgages in the market right now are priced below 5%. And almost half of those right now are priced at 3.5% or so. So there's a lot of folks sitting on some really favorable interest rates on their mortgages. It makes them a bit more reluctant to want to give that rate up and sell the property. So it's going to be one of those things that all of us collectively are going to be watching together over the next several months. So in any case, if you're a buyer out there looking for a home, good news is that there's still homes coming to the market. For a seller, the great news is that the inventory is still fairly tight, so market times have climbed, but they're not out of control. And there are buyers out there searching for homes right now. So if you have any questions at all, feel free to give us a call here at the office. We're always here to help. I want to thank all of you for your time today. Have a great day.